Finally a little bit of time for some private fun hobby projects. Let's see, let's start TwinCat 3. Well, I guess I'll take a tiny break. What? It's still starting? Oh. No. I'm giving up. Time to build a new computer. Hey, so I think it's time for an upgrade of my current system. When I was younger, then I used to love to build computers and upgrade them and always keep to the latest and greatest parts. But once I got old, boring and gray like I'm now, then I thought it's not fun anymore and I just wanted a computer that worked. So I just bought a pre-built computer, and because, you know, responsibilities. For the simple reason of responsibilities, you have to work, so you don't have time to think about. You just want something that works, basically. My current system is really old. It's getting close to 7 years soon. It's extremely slow, and for some reason I just decided I want to go back to my roots and just build my computer from scratch, from components. It's a weekend, so I thought this is just a perfect project for a weekend. And when I buy or build a computer, because I don't do it so often, I generally go very high end, so I want to go all in on it because I want to have a computer and system that I can use for a long time, which is the ambition also here. Though my ambition is to keep small form factor. I don't like this huge chunk of metal, but something neat and small. I'm gonna get into exactly what components I've chosen. But I must say, I actually really look forward to this, and I think it's gonna be a little bit of fun, so I'm not gonna keep you delayed anymore, but let's just get to it.